Okay, students. Last time we did circumcircle. Now we do what? Incircle. Now, what is the meaning of incircle? Circle inside the triangle. Circle inside the triangle. Okay. So first we'll draw a circle. See the diagram. Then triangle base draw roughly with the help of the scale and pencil. The sides should touch. Okay. Yeah. This is your A. See here, so the circle is touching all the three sides. 1, 2, 3 should touch compulsory. B and C. So what is the question given? Construct triangle ABC such that B is how much? 100. C is how much? 50. And BC is what? 6.4 cm. Now, how to draw a circumcircle? That's why incircle is very important because it's very difficult to get incircle. Starting mein, it will not touch. Sometimes some part will be outside, some part circle will be inside. So it will become. You have to practice more in this incircle. Circumcircle is simple, but incircle what happen because of the angle bisect which you are doing, and then I explain you. This circle sometime what happen it doesn't touches the side. कभी-कभी circle बाहर जाएगा sides के. Sometimes it doesn't touch it will come inside. That is okay, but you have to practice it more. Okay, so we'll do it first. Understand the rough diagram? Okay, we'll go with the fair diagram. First we'll draw a triangle. First we'll draw a triangle. What is the base given? Base is what? 6.4. Okay. The base is 6.4. What is angle B given? Angle B is how much? 100 degree. How much? 100. See properly. Touch out. B is how much? 100. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, it's an obtuse angle, so it will be more than 90. Okay, more than 90. It is more than 90. Okay, see, it is obtuse angle, more than 90. 90 straight होता है. It is more than 90. थोड़ा extend करते हैं. Okay, this is how much? 100. Made out. I will go with 50 degree. How much? 50 degree. Keep at C. Now we will take angles from outside. C here. Keep at C this pointer. 50 degree. Okay. C. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. And this is your 50. Join it. Now, triangle ABC, this is 1.50. I hope all of you understand how to make a triangle. Okay. Now listen carefully now. After making a triangle, draw a triangle now. Any doubts are there? Now we'll go with the angle bisector. We'll go with the angle. What is the meaning of angle bisector? To bisect the angle. Now listen carefully. This is very important. From B, from X, this is should be जो बड़ा रहने का arc. From here, keep at B. थोड़ा arc बड़ा. Okay. Draw one arc here. Draw the other arc here. Made out. From B, any measure, but take more. Okay. Arc should be bigger. ये थोड़ा distance थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहने का. Draw one arc here. Draw here other. इसको extend करो या extend मत करो. Keep it like this here. From keep the pointer where you drawn the arc. Keep one pointer here. Okay, take the other pointer here and draw the intersection. Okay, understand? Any doubt? Now we draw an angle bisector. See properly. यहाँ से this B properly here and this one. This is called angle bisector. This and this called ये B का bisector हो गया. अभी now we go with what? C. We'll go with C. We'll go with C. Take more C from C here. Okay. One arc here. Same what you did for B, same way. One arc here. Okay. इसको extend करना है तो keep the, if you want to extend, you can extend. Keep the pointer here. Draw the arc here. Keep the pointer here and draw the arc here. Okay. Once again join this one. Which point? This point C and this one. You have to join it. Okay, C. This point you can name as O. Now after two angle bisector, this is equal. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Which one? A perpendicular bisector. Now see carefully. If you want to extend this, you can extend the line. इसको extend आप कर सकते हो. Okay. From B, keep the pointer at O. Keep the pointer at O. Draw an arc here on this line. One here and one here. ये बाहर आदमी चलता है ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Any distance, huh? Okay. I'll keep as it is. Keep the pointer at which are drawn the arc here. Same way here. Now draw the perpendicular bisector from O. This will be what? M. Now this OM will be the radius. This is the center and this is OM is the radius for the incircle. Now see here properly. This is O center. This OM will be the radius. Draw a circle. ओके अंडरस्टैंड. थोड़ा इधर देखो क्या हुआ अंदर है. चलते स्टार्टिंग में आएगा, प्रैक्टिस करो आ जाएगा. फिनिश. ओके. पहले मैंने क्या किया, मैंने फर्स्ट आई ड्रॉ द ट्रायंगल नेम ABC. आफ्टर ड्राइंग एंगल ABC आई ड्रॉ ऑन ए एंगल बाइसेक्टर फ्रॉम B मोर देन हाफ लेके इधर एक आर्क देन बाइसेक्टर सेम फ्रॉम C. आफ्टर गेटिंग द बोथ द आर्क both the bisectors, this point of intersection is called O. O से क्या करने का, perpendicular bisector. O से एक इधर आएगा इधर आएगा. And take here M. This OM is the radius for the incircle. ये center होगा, ये radius हो गया. समझ में आया? बस simple, but थोड़ा tough है. Incircle जल्दी आता नहीं, practice करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Got it? Yeah. Go for the next question.